In this video, we will be solving another example about quadratic equations. Find the equation of this curve in the form of y equal ax squared plus bx plus c, and as you can see, the curve is given on the graph. So basically, the idea of this exercise is the reverse of what we were actually solving. So let us start. Let's take our first point. It is 0 and 5. So in the form of y equal ax squared plus bx plus c, let's substitute 5 and 0. So it's going to be 5 equal to a into 0 squared plus b into 0 plus c. So 5 is equal to 0 plus c. So c is going to be equal to 5. We have just found our first constant. We're done with c, and now we need to find a and b. So after finding c, let's go ahead and find a and b. As you can see, we still have two other coordinates on the graph. We have 1 and 0, and we have 5 and 0. And we're going to use these two coordinates in order to find two separate equations that are going to help us with finding a and b. 1 and 0 and 5 and 0. Let us go ahead and start with 1 and 0 and substitute it. 0 is equal to a into 1 squared plus b into 1 plus 5. So 0 is equal to a squared plus b plus 5, and we can flip 5 to the other side of the equal, so it's going to be a plus b is equal to minus 5, since we're flipping it to the other side of the equal. And that is our first equation. Now for the second one, we're going to use the second coordinates, 5 and 0, and let's substitute them. 0 is equal to a into 5 squared plus b into 5 plus 5, which is c initially. So 0 is equal to 25a plus 5b plus 5. Now let's flip 5 to the other side of the equal to isolate a and b. 25 is equal to 25a plus 5b equal to minus 5. Divide both sides of the equal by 5. So 5a plus b is equal to minus 1. And that happened since we had the same denominator here. So as you can see, we have found our second equation, which is 5a plus b equal to minus 1. Now after finding these two, let's use elimination method to find a and b.